You have successfully installed and connected your app. Now what is left is to use the app. How is your app used? You go to your workflows. You can easily set this as actions. So in every workflow on this sub account, you're going to see the various actions of the BenchMark mail service. So if you can set whatever trigger you want, the regular triggers that you use, they are all there. Then you can use this as actions. You can create a contact, you can update contact, you can delete contact, you can create an email, you can update an email, delete an email, send an email, copy an email, achieve an email, archive an email, and create a list. So those are all the actions. You may want to access those actions by coming here. You scroll down, searching for BenchMark service. So you can see we have so many actions with respect to the apps that we installed and connected. So we are looking for BenchMark. A quicker way to do this is searching from here, from the browser directly. Go to BenchMark. So we are here. So you can see all the actions we can carry out from our workflows reacting on BenchMark directly. So they are pretty easy steps, and that's how you set them up. If you have any issue with the setup, as usual, please get to us and we'll be readily available to help you.